Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian Linux 13.0 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Debian official website and download debian.org. Then click on other downloads. See here the latest release is 13.0.0 is the stable release. Okay, click on download mirrors. Now see here we have the two options: CD USB download or DVD USB download. Okay, then we have to click on AMD 64 or i386. So I am going to download DVD. So click on it to download. Then scroll down. See here we have the Debian 13.0.0 DVD ISO, and okay, click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 3.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then check for this video description or search for my YouTube channel how to download and install VirtualBox. Okay. Then click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. See, this is the default location to store the files and folders. Then select the folder from this drop down list, select other. Then select the location where you have the enough space. Then select it. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Go to download. See here we have the Debian 13.0.0. Select it. See, once you selected, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian and version as Debian 64-bit. Then select the skip unattended installation. Then select the checkbox that is skip unattended installation. Then go to hardware. Here provide memory as 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores 2. Then hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select the virtual machine from this list and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are there. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. Select location or time zone. See, the select the location. See here the selected location will be used to set your time zone. Also, for example, help select the system locally. Normally this should be country where you live. Okay, so select the location. If your location is not listed, then select other. Okay, I am going with United States. Then click on continue. Then select the keyboard language. I am going with American English. Then click on continue. Now we have to provide the name for the host name or computer name. We can change the host name later also. Then click on continue. If you have domain, then provide the domain name. Otherwise, keep it as blank and continue. Now we have to set the password for root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password. Then click on continue. Now we have to create or set up users. So I am giving user full name as R2 Schools. Then continue. This will leave the username. If you want some other username, you can provide. Then click on continue. Then we have to set the password for this new user. Then click on continue. Now see here it populated the clocks. See here these are all related to United States because we have selected location United States. That's why it is showing these time zones. Select the time zone from this list and click on continue. Partitionist I am going to use guided use entire disk. Or if you want to set up LVM or encrypted LVM or manual, you have to select these options. I am going with the guided use entire disk and continue. This will be the disk, then continue. See, if you want separate partitions, you have to select these options. I am going to select all files in one partition, then click on continue. See, this is the confirmation. If you want to undo changes to partitions, you have to select I am okay with these settings, then select this finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. Confirmation, write changes to disk, select yes and continue. See, now it is installing base system. See here, scanning your installation media, finds the label. Okay, if you wish to scan more media, please insert another one. I don't have, so select no and click on continue. If you want to use the network mirror, select yes, otherwise no and continue. If you want to participate in package user survey, select yes and continue. Now we have to select the softwares. See, by default it has selected Debian desktop environment, Genome, and if you want XFCE or KDE Plasma, you have to select these options. Okay, in this video I am going to use the Genome desktop environment. Then, and if you want to install web server or SS server, you have to select these options. Okay, then click on continue. See, installation started and it is copying files. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. Now see here the option install the grub bootloader. If you want to install the grub bootloader to your primary drive, select yes and continue. Then select the device and continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, so go to VirtualBox and then select the virtual machine. See here, optical drive is empty. It is not empty. You have to click on it and remove the disk from the virtual drive. Okay, so it is already removed. Go to the virtual machine, then click on continue to reboot. Now click on username and provide the password. Now open terminal, show applications. See here we have the terminal. Open it, then verify the version that you have installed. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed Debian Linux 13 and its code name is Trixie. Okay, the first step after connecting to Debian Linux 13 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, user is not in sudo, so switch to root account. Now run sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, this is the expected error. The solution is go to /etc apt. Okay, we have to give cd ls. See here we have the sources.list file. We have to uncomment the content. More sources. See, so we have to comment for this command. So command is va, because I am not using sudo because I have connected with root account. Then give sources or va or any text editor that you are familiar. Then just give press I to insert mode. Just give hash symbol at start. Then escape : WQ exclamation. Now run the same command. See, this time we have successfully connected. Even if we are able to ping to any website, everything is fine. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian 13.0.0 version on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.